Alright guys, come along today as we use these DIY tools to get this result in our stainless steel drain pan. So I've pulled the drain pan. I have to make my indent for this. If I was just to put my drain in there, it would actually sit above the level and you'd have pooling around the outside of this. So let me take you inside the garage. What I've figured out is I need to cut out some circles the same diameter as my drain. I'll assemble a round such as this. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use clamping pressure, bolt on one side, nut on the other, and then I'll end up going through another hole with the stainless steel in the middle, and I'll just wrench that down until I get an indentation. So we'll see if it works. 3 1/4. This is better. Maybe 3 1/2. Plenty of room to pull all that down into. Alright, I've got that larger hole on the bottom lined up to where these are going to pull down exactly in the middle of it. So now I can get to tightening. Well, I don't think my impact driver has enough oomph. I mean, I can see that it's starting to indent. Let me just try grabbing a wrench. Keep doing it manually here. Little pry bar and a wrench. Alright, we broke our piece of wood. Yes, indeeders. So, let's try again. Round 2. A nice hard piece of hardwood. Hardwood. It's like 36 degrees in Houston today. It's a little colder than I want it to be. But the build must go on. I don't know if this camera was going to pick it up, but got a nice indentation going. So we'll call that good. I mean, pretty well on there. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so man, I can see a nice indentation now. Let's see how this thing's gonna fit in there. Oh yeah, it's gonna sit down in there real flat and flush. Water's gonna be able to run right into the hole. Very cool. But in this scenario where you need, you know, your shower pan needs a hole and an indentation like this to accept your drain, check out this solution. Okay, that's kind of what you're working with. Pull it down through, and that's kind of what that stainless steel did underneath. So, and I just used the bolt and nut and a hard piece behind it in order to draw everything in to conform to that. Alright guys, well if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, help us out. And if you want to see more videos like this, one, go down to the description, Make sure you let us know what you'd like to see, or if you'd like something else in the past we need to put more light on. Otherwise, hit that subscribe button so you see the next one that pops up. We really appreciate it. We'll see y'all in the next one.